Welcome to my class. Psalms 37 verse 5. Commit thy way unto the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. God bless us all. Keep safe and enjoy learning. Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is a continuation of our lesson from the past video, which is the plants, its structure and function. So today we will discuss all about the plant. So what are the parts of a plant? So let's begin. The parts of the plants are the roots, the stem, and the leaves. So for today we will discuss all about the stem. So we will discuss all about the stem. Okay? So the stem makes up the largest part of the plant. The trunk, branches, and the twigs are called stems. Most stems usually grow upward. So let's have its functions. So what are the functions of a stem? So number one, connects the roots and leaves of a plant. So connects the roots and the leaves of the plant. Number two, it transports foods to all parts of the plant. Number three, it supports the leaves, fruits, and flowers. And last, number four, it acts as storage for food and water. So that are the functions of or of the stem. Okay po? Generally, there are two types of stems. Number one is the herbaceous and number two is the woody stem. Again, what are the two types of stem? That is the herbaceous and the woody stem. So let's discuss first the first one. Herbaceous stems. Herbaceous stems usually green and do not develop though woody tissues. Their stems are soft and with limited size, so they cannot support much weight. That is the herbaceous stems. So they cannot support much weight. Generally, they are annual plants, which means they live only for a year. Okay po? These plants are called, what do we call the plants that is the annual plants or considered as annual plants? We called it herbs. So example of herbs are petchay, kangkong, parsley, and lettuce. This is the picture of that herb plant. Okay po? That is the example of herbaceous stems. Okay, next. Woody stem. The woody stem, plants without woody stem can reach tremendous heights. They live for more than 1 year. The woody plants can be grouped into three. So let's discuss the three parts. Okay po? Or should I say three types of woody plants or the group of woody stem. Okay. The first one is the vines. As you can see, vines are climbing or creeping woody plants. They have modified stems called twiners that spiral around solid support. Their branches are so weak that they need support. Example of this is in the picture, which is the bitter gourd, morning glory, and the poison ivy. Next, the shrubs. The shrubs are the woody plants with many erect growing stems or branches. They are smaller than trees and have relatively short woody branches that grow from the ground. Shrubs are also called bushes. Okay po? Remember, shrubs are also called bushes. And the last one of the group in the group of woody stem is the trees. So we are all familiar all about trees. So, trees are tall plants with only one stem called a trunk. The trunk develops from the seed or a seed. Example, acacia, nara, and mango. So, trivia. You can tell the age of a tree by the annual rings that are visible in the cut section of a trunk. Each ring represents a year's growth. Meaning, kapag pinutol natin yung puno, and then may makikita tayo doon parang bilog-bilog or what we call the ring, it refers to the year's growth, kung gaano na siya katanda. So, kung gaano karami yung bilog, that is the age of a tree. Okay po? Next. Like the roots, we have also the specialized stems. Okay po? Specialized stems. Okay, number 1 or the first one in our specialized stem. Stolon or the runner. Stolon or runner is a soft stem that grows horizontally and is partially submerged in the ground. Usually, a new plant develops at the nodes touching the soil. Example of this is the strawberry. So, we are all familiar about the strawberry. Next, the second one. Tuber. Tuber is a short underground stem. Remember, short underground stem. This is the enlarged terminal portion of the rhizomes, the horizontal underground stem. Okay po. Example. Okay, example is the potato, the tugi, and the kamote. That is the example of tubers. Next, we have the corm. Not corn, but corm. Corm consists of a short stem with much stored food. It is thick and grows vertically. Okay, examples. Examples of this is gabi, gladiola, and taro. Next, number 4, or the fourth one, we have the bulb. The bulb is a specialized stem that stores food in its leafy scale. The onion is an example of this bulb. Remember, onion is an example of bulb stem or the specialized stem bulb. Next, the last specialized stem. The last one is the rhizomes. Rhizomes is a long fleshy stem that grows parallel to the ground. Examples of this is the ginger and camia. So, si camia po ay isang flower and then si ginger po ay kilala na naman natin na sinasama sa mga lutuin sa bahay natin ni nanay at ni tatay o di kaya naman ni tatay. Okay? Let's have the recap. Okay, the stems have 4 main functions. We have 2 types of stems, the herbaceous stems and the woody stems. The woody stems group into 3, vines, shrubs, and trees. And we have the specialized stems, which is the stolon, the tuber, the corm, the bulb, and the rhizomes. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening, everyone. God bless you all. Have fun and enjoy learning. Goodbye.